In this video we're going to discuss how hair grows, why it grows less well for some people, and what you can do to help maintain healthy hair growth. Both male and female hair has been shown to grow and respond to treatment in exactly the same way. Therefore, the information you are about to see applies equally to women as well as men. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. You can see that the hair, skin and blood vessels form a quite complex structure. This is called the hair follicle. Hair has a natural cycle. Almost as soon as a hair dies, another one starts growing from that oval of stem cells called the dermal papilla. As it grows, it pushes the old hair out, then continues growing until it dies too. This natural cycle has three different phases represented on this clock. The growing phase of the hair is called the anagen phase. Early anagen starts with the first emergence of the new hair, which pushes out the old one. Anagen continues and the hair keeps growing for up to 6 years. In late anagen, growth slows down and then the hair enters catagen, the dying phase. In catagen, growth stops, and parts of the hair follicle are broken down as it detaches from the dermal papilla stem cells. This phase lasts up to 6 weeks. The hair then enters telogen, a resting phase which lasts around 6 months. As the hair is no longer attached, it cannot be repaired, it loses condition and can appear dull. Signals from the scalp and elsewhere in the body control every step of the hair cycle. Some signals, like these black ones, tell the hair to die and fall out. Others, like these blue ones, tell the dermal papilla cells to start growing and producing hair. These blue signals are called growth factors. You can see the blue signals last right the way through the anagen phase, keeping the hair growing. When the black signals return, they tell the hair to enter catagen and it dies. For some people, this process continues exactly the same for their entire lives. Anagen lasts for 6 years or so before catagen and telogen make the hair fall out over a few months before the next cycle starts. But for many of us, it changes as we go through certain life stages, resulting in thinning hair. In this case, the hair goes through each stage of the cycle as normal, but the anagen phase is shorter each time. This means that your hair starts to grow more slowly and won't grow as long. Each cycle gets weaker, shorter and less coloured until it looks like peach fuzz and can barely be seen. This process is called miniaturization.